Masculine and feminine unite, burning shadows into light.
The inner sun awakens through sacred union. Divine energy rises in harmony. Through me, I embody divine sovereignty. I walk as freedom incarnate. As you chant these syllables, feel them align your root, heart, and crown chakras into one unified channel of soul freedom. Let each tone release an old contract, an old fear, an old belief.
Liberate, Lorien, Kamarin, eternal codes awaken within. I am not of flesh alone, but of stars and sacred tone.
My 12-strand DNA reactivates. I am not human. I am star seed made manifest.
Lumari say E-Ha-Rah, you are loved beyond all name. You are called by starlight flame. Go now, carry this song, and know
Beloved child of the stars, you are forever held in divine resonance. Walk with the frequency of freedom in your heart. You are never separated.